Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how you can remove pop-up or annoying ads from your phone. As you can see in this video, and that is mainly because of some third-party application installed on our phone. So the solution is simple. You have to uninstall that application that is causing these pop-up ads, and for that one option is finding and uninstalling that application from your app manager, but that's a little bit tricky and time consuming. And the second and easiest option is to install App Watch from the Play Store, which will basically monitor the application working in the background abnormally, so you can track it and uninstall if it is not necessary. When the App Watch application is installed, open it and allow app usage access to it, so it can track down that application which is causing the annoying and pop-up ads. After allowing app usage access to it, then click on Start Monitoring Application and normally use your phone or wait for a few seconds till the pop-up ads shows again. And when the pop-up ads shows again, open the App Watch application from the recent menu. The App Watch will show you the application that started recently. As you can see here, it is showing Google Photos, but actually it is not. It is a third-party application impersonating or disguised as Google Photos. When I click on it, it takes me to the Play Store and shows the actual application that is causing these ads. Now, as we have found the real cause of this mess, all we have to do is uninstall that third-party malware application. As you can see from other user reviews, it's actually a malware impersonating or disguised as Google Photos or any other known application, which runs in the background and causes this mess of annoying pop-up ads full screen after every 10 to 15 seconds. So after uninstalling the disguised app, you can see that no ads is appearing, and now you can uninstall the App Watch application. So that was all for this video. And if this video was somehow helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.